In this video, I'm going to walk you through and show you how you can create an X account. So the first thing that you need is the X application. I'm assuming most of you are doing this on mobile. You can also do this on the computer, but X is predominantly a mobile app. So what you need to do is go to the App Store. So I'm going to open up the App Store on my device. Once you're inside of the App Store, obviously go to search in the bottom right hand corner and then search for X. It doesn't matter if you're searching on Play Store or Apple Store, you're going to find it. Just open up the X app. Now from here, you can continue with Google or Apple, or if you want to just create an account without connecting any of those emails, you can click Create Account, and then it will open up the next window where you can enter in your name, your phone, or an email address and a date of birth. So I'm just going to add Brad as my name, and we will sign up with a email address. To do that, you need to go and click use email instead, because it's going to want to get you to sign up with a phone number for some reason, but we'll sign up with email. Once you've done that, it will take you to the next page and it's going to send you a code to that email. So make sure you have access to that email. I'm going to just enter in this code now. I'm going to access my email and we'll find it. After you've entered in the code, you just need to then click next. And you should then be taken to the next step, and it's going to then ask you for a password. So go ahead and choose the password and make sure that it's a good password with 8 characters or more. Then once you've done that, go ahead and click on sign up. You can click on the eye icon next to the password just to make sure you've entered it correct. Now you can choose your profile picture. You can click on the plus icon, and what will happen is it will open up all of your photo libraries. You can take a picture with the camera icon right now, or if you want to just choose a basic color for now, I'll just choose this blue. I'm also going to put this peace emoji and we'll then click next. You can skip this, but I would recommend adding a profile picture. Now choose a username. This has to be unique, so spend some time choosing the correct username that you want to be able to share with people, because this is how people will be able to find you if you do want to share it with people or link it in future. So I'm going to enter in this username here. We're going to then click on next. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to continue here, and it's going to ask you if you want to allow access to contacts. I'm going to click don't allow. By doing so, people will be able to find you if you click allow. I'm going to enable English and we'll then click next. Now, what do you want to see on X? I want to see technology and crypto stuff, so we'll just keep it on technology for now. Then we'll click next, but you can select whatever you want to see. Again, you can get more specific. I'll just put here investing, Elon Musk, cryptocurrency, and NFTs. We'll then go ahead and click next, and you can then follow any of these accounts. I'm just going to follow Elon here, and we'll click next. And there you go. We are now inside of our new X account. And from here, we can start to use it and start to interact with people on X. So that's how you can do it. I'm going to leave a tutorial explaining how to use X in depth in the description, so follow that if you need it.